Now we're adding the mango. Hey, how's it been since the last workout routine?
It's been good. I've been doing my squats. I've been doing my burpees, and it's crazy because the more I do it, the easier it's becoming for me to actually do a pull-up. Before I couldn't even do a little bit of a pull-up, so that's good. And yeah, I feel good.
Okay.
Like, it's coming along.
That's awesome. So you've seen some improvement in strength in your upper body and your lower body, which is awesome. And that's exactly what we need, because the stronger you get, that means that your muscles are growing and you're going to see the definition that you need to see. Because some women, they're afraid to weight train. They feel like they're gonna bulk up. And like as women, we can't get big unless you're taking like growth hormones or some type of, steroids or whatever. But as women, we don't get big. We get curvy, we don't get big. We're going to incorporate some different variations into your exercise regimen simply because our bodies like to work within its own comfort zone. And after a while of doing a routine, your body is like, oh, I'm used to it. I don't need to change anymore. So it's just constantly switching it up. All right, and bring the incline up to 5 as well. Yep, that's perfect. That way you're able to just quickly warm up without jogging, and you're getting the same effect when you're on incline. And don't hold on to the treadmill. I always say that just because you want your core to be engaged as well. It's coming up and she's just balling up in one location. Okay, while you're warming up, I'm gonna explain the exercise routine. So we're gonna jog for 30 seconds. Your speed is gonna be 5.0. And then you're gonna press pause. Then you're gonna sit on the bench and perform a squat with a shoulder press. And the purpose of us doing that routine, the interval training, is great to keep your body guessing, of course, and it's also gonna implement fat burning and toning at the same time. So we always wanna constantly keep our body guessing. We wanna get out of our comfort zone. That's one of the best ways to see change. The shoulder press, yep, you just pop up. That's perfect. Try not to lock your elbows when you come up. And this works the shoulders and the glutes at the same time. Yep, you're doing it right. Have your feet a little wide apart, shoulder width, yep, that's it. Nice. Yep. Awesome. Perfect. Was this 8? 9, 10, 11, one more, 12, awesome. Rest for 15 seconds, and we're gonna kick back up and hop right back on the treadmill, do another 30-second run. This whole routine, we're gonna do 5 sets of this routine. The jogs with the squat and shoulder press. All right, that's awesome. You can start slowing down now. Perfect. Awesome. Yep, take a deep breath. Before you transition, yep, you got it. You got it. Yep. Currently, Chris is using 10-pound dumbbells to just focus on higher repetitions. We're doing 12 reps. So that way she's able to tone and burn fat at the same time. We're not focusing on bulking, we're focusing on toning the body. Yep, that's awesome. All right, so Chris is using 15-pound weights, and we're gonna do high repetitions to perform stiff leg deadlifts. What she's gonna do is shift her hips back, perform a hip hinge, not a squat, and she's gonna come down, straight leg, yep, and then come back up. That's perfect. We're gonna perform 12 reps of the stiff leg deadlifts and alternating with the BOSU squats, BOSU ball squats. When she's performing the BOSU ball squats, she's going to keep her repetitions at a higher pace. That way her heart rate is up. She's making sure that she's performing this to focus on toning, working out her glutes and her entire body all at the same time. Okay, that's your last one. Awesome. Now we're gonna perform the BOSU squats, BOSU ball squats, just like a tongue twister. Awesome. Yep. Shift your hips back and get right into it. Yep. Now she's tapping the ball to make sure that she gets down really low and coming back up. You notice that her pace is fast. She's not really pausing. She's just making sure that she's keeping proper form and just keeping the momentum. All right, let's pick it up. Yeah. Yeah, 15 reps. Perfect. And this is definitely going to keep her heart rate at a higher pace. And that fat burning process, that's what we want to get into, fat burning modes. So getting out of your comfort zone is key. Awesome.
Can't talk.
No, that was good. That was good. She's performing this right after a quick 15-second rest, and it's challenging at the same time because she's going fast and slow in her body. It's getting confused because it doesn't know what she's doing. Right into it. You're gonna rest afterwards. Come on, you got this. Nice. Keeping the momentum. Perfect. Now, not everybody can do this. If you have bad knees, this may not be the exercise for you, but Chris is doing an amazing job keeping her heart rate up, keeping the right pace. Third routine, we're gonna superset this with some core action. So of course, everything that we've shown you today is total body, but with focusing on the glutes, which is your bum. So we're going to show, Chris is going to show you how to perform the lunge on a BOSU ball. She's using the dumbbells as a source of resistance. What Chris is using, she's using 15-pound dumbbells. Yep, and alternating. Yep, take your time and balance. Yep, you got this. This exercise routine also helps to strengthen out any imbalances in the lower body because we tend to apply more pressure on one side than the other, and one leg may be stronger than the other. So this helps to focus on balancing that out. Lunges in general. Yep. All right, awesome. That's it. So in between that, she's gonna take a deep breath and slowly come down to the mat. That's because her heart rate is a little bit higher. We don't want her to quickly come down and, just completely black out. So she's gonna perform 12 V-ups where, yep, that's it. Nice. Try to keep your chest up. You can keep your hands on the mat as well. Yep, that's it. And as Chris is stepping up on a BOSU ball, her knees doesn't go over her toe. She's making sure that she's keeping proper form all the way through. Yep. You got one more on the other side? Awesome. And let's get into those V-ups. Yep, take a deep breath. You got this. Yep, that's it. Awesome. Try to keep the chest up, because once we round our back, we're focusing more so on the lower back instead of the core. Yep, it's challenging. Yep, you got this. Yep. One more, that's it. You're good. As you can see, Chris has worked. This was a great exercise routine. So this exercise routine focused on total body, which was the glutes, the arms, the lower body. We make sure that we target those areas. If you didn't watch the first video, please make sure that you go back to day 1 and watch that. Now we're gonna get into stretching. So there's this one move called the pigeon pose, where you come down on the mat. Let's face this way. You come down on the mat. You have one leg bent in front of you, and the other leg, you're gonna extend it behind. Yep. And now most of your weight is gonna be shift to one side. Yep. But you're gonna stay up, yep, and stay up. That way you can focus on stretching out that hip area. And take deep breaths, inhale, exhale. You feel the stretch? All right, now come down to your forearms. Stretch it out right there. Quick protein shake. We have grass-fed whey protein powder, some walnut milk, oats, some water, and a mango to sweeten the shake up. The ingredients that you see here is going to help her body recover properly. We want to make sure that we feed her body with the proper nutrients. So making sure that she has the protein with the proper carbohydrates. These are clean carbs. These are cleaner carbs to consume right after a workout routine to help the body to grow. We're using what Chris already has in her apartment. This is a realistic situation. So these are the items that she has, and the reason why we picked these items, we have the protein with the carbohydrates because it's fast. It's gonna hit her bloodstream a lot quicker. Add some ice cubes. Okay, I'm placing this back in the freezer. Now we're adding the mango. Hey, it's nothing. 1 scoop of protein whey. It's gonna add 1/4 cup of oats. Because this milk is expensive, you know. I think that's plenty. Get up. Alright, fish. How you work this? Just turn it on and the whey protein.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
For the baby, right?
Uh-huh.
You can't have that.
Yeah. So you tell me what it tastes like. Go ahead. Let's see. All right.
All right. I'm excited.
Let's try it out.
This is so good. And it's just naturally sweet. And that mango is really sweet.
It's so ripe. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You got the you got a milk mustache right now.
Sorry, that's how good it is.
That's all right.
Sorry.
It's like y'all always making stuff. All right, you guys, this completes day 2. If you like the video, please make sure that you're liking, and make sure if you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to comment in the comment section below and share this with anyone that you feel that will benefit from the video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.